a new location for filming. Just for today's video though, because I am going to be utilizing this pantry right here. You see, during quarantine, I have given myself the task of trying to clean out our freezers. Yes, freezers. There are 2 of them and they are stocked with food. However, I have totally neglected my pantry. So what I plan to do for this video is take this little sleep mask and put it over my eyes and then rummage through this pantry, grabbing 5 different ingredients and then creating something from it. One disclaimer before we start to explore the pantry is that there are only 2 shelves I am going to be picking off of because those are the 2 shelves that I know have GiGi approved products only. Okay everybody, are you ready to start exploring with me? Because I am stoked and I need to just put this face mask on and get to business. So, on it goes. Open sesame, everybody. All right, so these are the 2 shelves we're gonna be using. So let's just dive right in there. All right, ingredient number 1, ingredient number 2, ingredient number 3. Let's go down here, down below. Ingredient number 4. And I guess whatever the fuck's in my hand here, ingredient number 5. How'd we do, guys? How did we do? I don't think they're bad, actually. Now I need to introduce you to the winners from the Blindfolded Pantry drawing. Designer Protein's Totally Egg Protein Powder in both chocolate and vanilla. They're fucking delicious. Go blindfolded me for picking these bad boys. Then I picked, oh my god, the most addicting marshmallows. I also picked up some pumpkin, and then I picked up this low-calorie pasta. Let's see what the fuck I can create with this. This is where the magic is gonna happen. Ooh. Into the, oh, okay, a little explosion. Kinda want this to be thick. So far, this looks like Falcor's vomit, everyone. It actually smells really good. Bitch, are you on drugs? Making a bit of a mess. You know what, in the kitchen, it's all about getting dirty, right? Do you want some? Are you totally turned on by this? Mmm, delightful. Tastes like a pumpkin's asshole. Oh, how do I make this better? We're just gonna keep going. Who knows? The marshmallows might pull it all together. We'll see. I'm gonna plate this bad boy because it's a really quick recipe. These don't actually need to be cooked. It's like straw. It's gonna complement this baby vomit really well. My sink is over here, by the way, just in case you're curious. It is time to construct my vision, everybody. I'm gonna take this utensil right here and grab some of these nudes and put it right there on my round plate like such. And I don't know where this accent just came from, but it just popped up. Anyways, it's gone now, it's gone. I'm gonna put this sauce right on top of this straw tasting like pasta. Yup, still bad. For the final touch and my last ingredient, I'm gonna stick some marshmallows on top. These things are real tasty. Stick it right on top, like if you made spaghetti with a meat sauce, if you will. Well, consider these to be meat squares. Squares. Did you order this at a restaurant? I guess it's time for me to eat it all together. I'm scared. All right, that's a very generous bite. Let's not do that. But I am gonna get this and bottoms up, motherfuckers! I just swallowed that. That's the trash can! And bye! 'Cause nasty. I actually feel really bad for the trash can right now. Okay. This is why I plan my recipes in advance. I never make them before I make my videos, but I do plan what I'm going to be making because I fucking hate wasting food. Hate wasting food. All of these ingredients by themselves, delicious. I love these protein powders, hot damn. But together, well, you know how I feel about them together. Anyways, if you guys want to see me make more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for staying with me, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you next week. Hopefully I didn't scare you away with this nasty ass fucking concoction.